Inini ndonzi Elvis Mcheche. I was a cameraman by the production Mhamha Shona show. Yeah, I would say it was a totally new experience for me altogether because, yeah, of course, I've worked on different kinds of productions relating to everything else except for things to do with kids, much less teaching kids a language. So, yeah, for me, it was a bit of an adjustment. But, yeah, definitely full of energy and life. Most times, I think 50-50 kushuta ne kujoka around, unfortunately. But then, yeah, it makes things easier because apana kamwe ka negative energy. Of course, we are trying to be professional, but also you want to have a bit of fun during the work. So, from time I spend on this production, in the camera, that was one or two things about our own language. So the hope is whoever else is going to watch it, whoever else, they will learn a few things because Shona mutauro really complicated. Kana usingatoziye autoziye. Yeah, inini memorable moments angu angari pakusongoja chete. Yeah, totenda edu management ya ichifida.